If you have an old Zippo wick like this, the non-copper braided ones, lying around at home or within an old lighter, I am here to tell you not to change it out or to even throw it away. This is a piece which I had wicked through my lighter. Since then, it had burnt through 4 Zippo lighter flames. Among them are 2 vintages, such as this. Till now, I had not done a single thing to clean my chimney or to trim the wick. It is the 3rd day since I filled this lighter up, and it still lights. Let's put this through the fan test. From here, I can see that the tip of the wick is glowing, and yet it is not smelling burnt, neither has any material been lost. This Zippo guarantee leaflet from the 50s to 60s stated that under normal circumstances, the wick should last for life. It further provided a set of care instructions stating about scrubbing the wick off the soot. It did not recommend trimming of the wicks, neither changing it unless in an emergency. Prior to the introduction of the copper braided wicks in the 80s, these were traditionally built with strands of asbestos fiber at its core, wrapped around with a cotton sheath. Asbestos fiber is known to be highly resistant to heat and fire, and this kind of explains why the wick, under so much of use, is practically indestructible. Scrubbing off the wick is a procedure that I am yet to do. Meanwhile, it still functions as it should and is still looking as intact as it had been since the day I wicked it through my lighter. Alright, after watching this video, I believe that you will not want to get rid of this if you ever come across. Bear in mind that Zippo has long stopped producing wicks like this, and thus it might well be a treasure to keep. As of now guys, I thank you all so much for watching. Do stay safe and have a great one.